Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to the beautiful state of Maryland. My name is Philip, and this is OxmanGarage. So it's Sunday, July the 5th, and well, yesterday was July 4th, so I hope you guys had a great July 4th. I know I did. Kind of did it low-key, but I enjoyed it very much. So I know, guys, I'm sorry I missed last Sunday. I didn't bring you a video. I apologize. I didn't even bring you a video on Thursday, but Thursdays are kind of like, if they happen, they happen. If they don't, it's not the biggest deal in the world, but I'm sorry from last Sunday. There was no vlog. Life got in the way, work got in the way. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put together the seat frame and also the headlight frame. So we're going to get the headlight frame all back together. We'll get the seat all back together. We're still waiting on a couple more parts to put the rest of the Ruckus back together. So if I don't get them next week, I'll put the handlebars on that I still have. I have intentions of upgrading because I got the lowered seat, but I still have the normal frame, normal handlebars. So it's gonna kind of probably ride a little weird for a little bit, but you know what? I'm gonna put it back together with what we have, look at it, and then we're gonna go from there. I'm still waiting on the gas tank cover to come in, so I really don't want to put the whole bike back together, put the frame, put the top frame on without that. So we'll see where that goes. I may put that together next week if it doesn't come in, and then I'll just do another vlog, obviously taking it all back apart, putting it all back together. But hey, we like repetition, right? Without further ado, let's knock out the seat frame, because that's going to be the quickest of the two, and then we'll knock out the headlight frames. One thing I didn't think about until after I sent it off the powder coat and after it was already powder coated is I don't think the holes in the frame of the headlights are going to be big enough for these. So we'll see where that goes, but I might have to be very, 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 very careful of drilling out some holes. Obviously put tape on it, which is going to help the powder coat from splitting, but that might be an issue. So let's get on to the seat cover. Well, that's the seat cover, onto the seat frame and the seat. Alright, so let's get all the shrink wrap off. The protective film. Don't you guys love unwrapping parts? Look at that beautiful color. So the idea is to go back to, it's going to be a retro 50s kind of feel bike. And I kind of wanted to do a mint or a seafoam green, but everybody's done that. I haven't seen that many or even any, honestly, in this coral color. So it's a little coral metallic. The metallic isn't that crazy, but it definitely gives it a little bit of depth to it, so I like that a lot. Wrestling with the stuff. I could have been easier on myself and got myself a knife, but no, let's do it the hard way. It's probably more entertaining to watch. Anyways, let me struggle with it. Alrighty. Who needs a stinking knife when you got tools? Yes, I know. A knife would make this easier. Whew. It's already hot out here. Beautiful Maryland summer. Got that off. Look at that. Looks awesome looking, huh? So, I know I need are these. These are the what do you call it, to go around the frame. And whatnot. Where do they go? Okay. So what I'm just double checking is making sure everything's right, but that's where these hook on. This is where they bolt up to. So the bushings need to go right here, right here. I don't quite remember because it's been a couple weeks, but as soon as I did that, that was a quick and easy way to see it. One thing I'm not gonna put on right now is the helmet. What do you call it? I left the piece here for it, which is also the piece for the seat to clip into, but I don't know if I'm gonna put that helmet clip back on or not. So I guess these go like that. I hope so, because that just clicked. But didn't. Speak now, forever hold my peace, right? Those are both on. Nice. I think these do go on top. Where did it go? Oh, it goes in like that. Ah! See this little divot? There's a little piece of that. Goes bloop, just like that. So, there we go. Huh. Using the good old noggin. And where are... I know they would... Oh, duh. Why am I looking for them in there? You big dummy. I had them powder coated too. Wow. Okay. Blonde moment. Slow moment. However you want to call it. Dumb moment. Brain fart. I feel so stupid right now. Looking for these in there. Got that one right there. Put all this together. We got the other one right here. Oh man. Got the other hinge right there. Still besides myself that I even did that or thought about that. Like, really? Come on, Philip. So now I'm trying to find where. Huh, sounds like thunder. Already? So these are right here. So these are going to be as the bolts onto that together. So the only thing I need is they're two screwdriver. Try to cut down a tree a little bit, and I got dust all over me. Kind of looks like I probably have dandruff or something. It's not sawdust, guys, but it's all over me. I tried to get rid of it all, but it didn't really work out all that well, did it? Nope, not at all. Where are the two screws that I had for that? So let's do this first before I go and squeeze these together. These go on like this. Let's squeeze it because I don't want to do this too many times. I don't want to squeeze these too many times since they're powder coated. And I want to crack the powder coat. That would be very bad. But I think it's this right here and this one right here. Yep, these are the two little screws that screw into this that closes this together. So let's get that done. So do my little flip socket. Actually, are these? Yeah, these are twos. Put one right there. Take the other one, line it up. And there it goes. See, look at that. I'll eventually figure it out. Bam. We'll figure it out together, guys. I mean me eventually. And you guys can just watch the fun happen. Alright, so those are both on. So now what I need to do is find out my water, my hydration. It's hot out here. I don't want to let's give me that one. I don't want to keel over on you guys. And I was thinking I'd do some crazy thing for the cover of this, because you know before it had the the brown on. Obviously, I'm not putting the brown back on this, but I was gonna do something crazy. But I kind of think that just doing, you know, just a nice black, fancy black would be nice. Honestly, at this point, you know, it'll probably be the best way to go. Got one in. And two. Awesome. Now, one thing I definitely want to do eventually is get, hopefully the light comes in before I want to mount this, because I'm gonna have to do the light when it's off the bike, really, honestly and truly. But there we go. You got that, and bam! Look at that. That's a good fit. Let's make sure these are tight when it's closed. That's closed tight, and that's all tight. Look at that. Then we got the seat on. That looks really good, honestly, black in that. What I was gonna say is I wanted to do something crazy for the seat, make it some crazy color, but I think maybe just getting, you know, I had a brown one, but just getting a black cover to match will kind of look nice. Whew. It's funny, I haven't knocked that one over, but this one I can't see on this. Not good with it. Alright, so the easy part of this is all done. So I got this together. And honestly, it looks really good, guys. Really like how that turned out. Really did. Alrighty, so we got two things. We got this. Oh, and we got this. So let's get the headlights back into the frame, and then we'll tackle this bad boy. Because at least we can get the headlights back in the frame. I don't know if we're going to be able to. Well, I'll have to see if my battery's charged on my drill. I don't think it is. I haven't really used it in a while. I charge up the batteries in my drill about once a month. That was about 2 weeks ago or so. So the chances of the batteries being charged all the way is pretty low, and not to the point that I want to drill into metal. So if I'm drilling into metal, especially powder coated metal, I don't want the ability, you know, for it to stop and, you know, load torque and then rip the powder coat off. That's not what I want, need, or desire. So what we'll do is we'll get the headlights in, and then we'll see what's going on with that frame and tackle that if we need to. But if that happens, then we'll probably do that next week, or maybe I'll do that for just a quick Thursday. Just me doing that part of the situation and getting these the rest of the way put back together. So we'll see what happens on that. But God, every time I take one of these off, it's so nice. Just look at the color. Like, I'm not going out in the sun, obviously, because it's hot. But it's just a great looking color, guys. It really is. It's got this fluorescent, not fluorescent, but like a, I don't know what you would call it. It's just got a nice look to it. It really does. It's got a really good look to it. So we got our headlights, which look awesome. They really do look awesome. So I think they go in like this order. And this is the horn. It goes on top. Sweet, that's definitely right on that money right there. Because this little bad boy goes into there. So let's get the screws off of these and put them on. How smart about this. I put them together like this. Best believe. Try and make it as easy as I can for myself. These are pretty simple to go back in because these pretty much have these little like runners that it just pretty much they slide right into, and then you just screw them in. And they look great. Just want to get this one tightened down because I don't want to go too far until I get the whole thing together. Oh, it's tight. They got tight as they sat there. And just slide this bad boy in. Now, I am no mechanic. And I'm also never worked on a motorcycle / moped before. So to me, this is all new stuff. I mean, it's pretty much just like a car though. I mean, you just, screw goes into the hole and things go together the same way. Same basic mechanics, engine to engine. Transmission's a little bit different on these things. But for the most part, these are honestly all the same. Honestly. This one's a little cockeyed. Yeah. Well, this one's a little cockeyed. Straight. Beautiful. Look at that. So now this little bad boy can go right here and go clip. Clip into there. Just like that. Thing left is going to be the horn, but this goes on the other frame, so let's go check that out with what we were talking about. Kind of nervous about this situation. Shoe fly don't bother me. I guess you could call it an iridescent color. That's the name I was kind of, the word I was trying to come up with. Now, my fears correct. Yeah, they are. They definitely are. I only have to look at it. Oh, yeah. Oops. That's way different. Look, I don't even have to look at that. I can't even get the 2 wire studs or not, so I know that's not gonna work. Damn it. Be right back. Let me see if the drill's charged up. Alright guys, so the drill is not charged, so there's no way I'm attempting this with low batteries and stuff. So got the batteries on the charger right now. If I have a time today before I edit this video, I'll knock it out. If not, then maybe I'll make it either it'll be Thursday's video, or you know what, I might even make it next Sunday. We'll do this, and I got a couple other things I'll do. Hopefully, maybe my helmet will be in by then, and we can put the helmet cover on. Maybe, possibly. Maybe you can go do something else. We'll see. But yeah, honestly, this is gonna end today's video. If you haven't yet, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Honestly, it would help me a lot and make me happy. Please just make me happy. It's so easy. Just go click on that subscribe button right, and then make sure you go smash that like button for me. All right, because guys, come on, YouTube algorithms gotta help me. Please help me. I'm begging you at this point. All right, guys. Well, until next time, peace out.